Hi guys, you're welcome once again to my channel, and this is one of those videos that are not review like in nature, they are not recommendation like in nature. I just more like a tutorial kind of video. I've been using Davinci Resolve to edit videos for this YouTube channel, and I almost always seem to have one problem. So in order for me to make some of the kind of videos I make, I need to export video files from an external source. So let's say I wanted to, I wanted to use a clip from a video I see on YouTube, or I wanted to use a clip from a video I see in a movie. I can't always just go to, come here to the files and then just go to import and then media and then just come here and then, select the file I want to use and expect that it's going to work. It doesn't come into this, and even when those files in many cases are those files are MP4 files, for example. So I wasn't sure why it was not going to get imported when these files are MP4 files. These files have good resolution, and it wasn't like the files are too big. Now when you get to see tutorials like this where your Davinci Resolve does not import MP4 files, for some reason it tells you that it's because of the size of the files, but I want to believe it's never because of the size of the files, because I mean, a photo or video editing software shouldn't have restrictions when it comes to sizes. So how have I been able to fix this? One of the things I did was basically go online and search for an MP4 converter online, and then I just converted the videos to MOV until now. But this night I was working on a video and I had an idea that seemed to work. So let me exit this VLC media player and just go show you how I did it. So I went to VLC media player, and then I come to media, I come to convert and save, and then I just come here. I had the file I want to convert. Let's say this is the file. It's an MP4 file. So now if you look at this file, let's 1920 by 1080. So let's try to import this file into Davinci Resolve, so the file is actually one that has an issue. So let's look for that file. This is the file. Now I try to import it. You can see it's not getting imported. It's not getting imported, and you can't really tell why. So what we need to do is now come into VLC media, select the file from VLC. So this is the file. Open the file. Now after opening the file, you want to convert and save. So you come here, convert. So convert and save, that's what we want to select. Now you just come here and pick the first MP4 format, the first MP4 format. Now let's give the file a name. So let's try to save it in our downloads, and let's give it a name, 1920. Let's just use that for now. So 1920. Let's save it. So open that the file has either started to save or okay, no, we haven't. Let's start. So we have started to convert it. So let's now go back to that place and see. Okay, so this is the file. It sometimes can be slow when it is converting. So let's just give it a moment and see what happens. So the file has completed converting. So the file has now completed converting from MP4 to MP4. Basically, I just converted it to the same format, and this is the file. That is the file we're talking about. So I wasn't sure why we have that issue with Davinci Resolve, and I just hope that very soon the company just fixes this so that you don't have to start to convert from MP4 to MP4 in order for you to use any file you'd like to use in your videos. I just thought I should come around and make this short tutorial and maybe help some of you who are struggling with this issue. Let me know if this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe to this channel if you would like to, basically. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.